So it's not just about premium machine tools, tool holding as well. So Victor, tell us about these systems, or a couple of these systems here.
Yeah, actually here we can see quite a new system. Actually it's hydraulic tool holder, and it's absolutely the same as heat shrinking tool holder, with the same profile, absolutely the same profile, with the same standard. So you can change it without any changes in any machine programming. So it's very easy to change it. And it's much easier to use it because it's just a hydraulic tool holder, and you need only just one tool to open and close it.
I think you better show us how easy it is. It is then.
Yeah, I can show you. This is one example. We just screw it in and it's fixed. That's it.
Done, nice
Very
and simple. Yeah. But also, what you're telling me about as well is this is an extender here. Getting the tooling in here, you have a separate system, is that right?
Yeah, and here we can see another system made by SCHUNK. It's absolutely unique system. I can say nobody do this, only SCHUNK. It's a polygonal tool holder. So
this isn't a round profile in here, essentially?
Yes, it's a triangle profile. So, and when we would like to fix a tool, we just press it and make it round. And after that, we release it and the tool is fixed. Very easy as well. So,
what about in terms of power through the spindle? Can it go faster, more powerful? Or are you going to lose some of that with this type of facility?
If we are speaking about quite heavy load tool holders, of course we use hydraulic tool holders, and if we need high speed, we use tribers. So for different application we can use different tool holders, and when we do combination we can get very nice solution.
Brilliant. Victor, thank you very much. Great example, not just about premium machine tools, tool holding as well.